welcome to 700 Credit Repair. This is our coaching and membership site. I'm Billy Alt. This is my business partner and better half, Melissa Alt. Melissa's responsibilities are our processing department, our billing, and all that stuff. And then I work with our referral partners, realtors, mortgage people, and customers who are trying to buy homes or cars or whatever. So anyway, welcome. We are glad to have you. Glad that we're part of this journey with you. A few things before we get started. First off, we have a video series that Melissa has created that will walk you through the process from start to finish. This is a 6-month program. Most of our customers start seeing results in 60 days. We can achieve great results, and we can, everything has the same set of rules and regulations and laws that they have to abide by. And we hold the creditors, the credit bureaus, collection companies, we hold them accountable. We will be asking on your behalf to see proof. If they can't provide proof, then we go a different route. But we have certain tactics in place for our process. So one of the biggest things that we would need for you to do while in this program is participate. If you get any collection letters or things in the mail that maybe you normally would have not opened or not worried about, it's very, very important that you open your mail, your letters, your results, your responses, or if you get any new collection letters, keep us up to, let us know what's going on with that kind of stuff and communicate with us. But the videos will walk you through that stuff, kind of, where you should be days 1 through 10, then 10 through 20.
And it'll also show you examples of what a new collection letter looks like, or maybe a stall letter, what it looks like, so you know what to look for.
So if you don't do anything else while in this program, that'd be a mistake, but if you don't do anything else, watch these videos that she has created. There's a lot of valuable information, tips, and hints. And with that being said, enjoy it.
Be sure to let us know if you have any questions. But like I said, most of the information is going to be in the video series, and the workbook is uploaded in there. There's some other stuff uploaded. But if you can't find what question that you have or anything that you need, don't hesitate to email us at coaching@700creditrepair.com, or give us a shout in our coaching department, and that number is 972-279-0444, extension 106. So we look forward to working with you, and have a great time going through this.